Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your project and importing the clips you'll use. Make sure source folders remain organized. Create a composition that matches your main clip's resolution and frame rate, then drag media to the timeline, snap to markers, and set in and out points. Once done, trim layers with the B and N keys or the razor tool for rough timing. Make sure to name layers clearly so you can replace or adjust clips quickly without losing sync or effects. Now you'll replace and refine clips. Use replace footage or alt-drag a new file onto a layer to preserve applied effects and transforms. If timing differs, enable time remapping, set keyframes, and ease interpolation to smooth motion. For layered adjustments, pre-compose elements so transitions and effects stay grouped. Use track mattes and blend modes to composite clips and correct color or exposure inside the pre-comp. Once finished, to finish, add your composition to the render queue or Adobe Media Encoder. Pick a container and codec that match delivery requirements, set bitrate and audio options, and name the output file logically. Render a short test segment first to confirm quality and sync. Once done, render the full sequence. If something goes wrong, colors shift, frame rate stutters, or clips misalign, check source frame rates, pixel aspect ratio, color profile, and whether any footage is offline. Reconnect sources or clear cache and re-render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.